Guys, it's your girl Star Creeps here. Today I'm playing Would You Rather again, but I've got my 6-year-old brother with me. Say hi.
Hi.
So the challenge is I'm gonna do Would You Rather for everything. For in every choice which has lesser votes, my younger brother is going to pull my ear or slap me. It's your wish. What do you want to do?
I'm also gonna play, but I'm gonna give you to. What do you want to do if I lose?
No. I'm playing. You need to do something. You can either slap me or
I-
pinch my ear.
Slap you, and I'm also playing.
Yeah, you're
But
gonna help
if
me choose the choice.
But if I lose, you have to slap me.
Okay, so this is I chose I chose kids because he's a 6-year-old boy. So there's this meaty go ad. Sorry, I've got ad issue. This is not sponsored, by the way. Would you rather hug a koala or cuddle a koala or pal around with a panda? I think I've answered this in the before question, but I'm re-answering again.
I think panda one.
Okay. More people want to pal around with a panda. Okay, so you don't get to slap me this time, dear. I'm sorry. Would you rather never be able to go out during the day or never be able to go out at night?
What do you do? You are big. You are bigger brain than me.
I really like to go out in the night, go out to malls.
Hey, no. Take morning. I'll take morning.
Nah, we have to go to school in the day,
Okay.
so never be able to go out in the night.
Okay.
So more people agree with that. You don't get to slap me this time, dear.
Hey, I choose morning then.
Okay, would you rather make world...
You get to slap me.
Nah, I'm not slapping you.
You get to slap me.
I'm not slapping you, only...
Just slap me, just touch it like
Okay.
this. Yeah.
Okay, so would you rather make world peace or make world war?
World War.
Alright, we'll do world war. Very less votes, so slap me. Not hard, but still good. But don't slap me in real life, okay?
Okay.
Would you rather never get a cold ever again or never be stuck in traffic ever again? I would rather never be stuck in traffic ever again because I'm always late to school.
Yeah,
What do you choose?
I would choose be stuck in the traffic.
Never be able to stuck in traffic.
No.
Oh, you don't want to catch a cold? Okay, we'll do it. More people don't want to catch a cold. Good. Thank you, sir. You saved me from a slap. Don't slap me.
You too.
I'm not slapping you.
Yeah.
Would you rather be strong but slow or be fast but weak?
Be fast but weak because I can run away.
Yeah, that is my 6-year-old brother. He's fast but he's weak.
Yeah.
Okay, he's not weak. He gave.
I'm
hard
just a
one.
little bit strong and
Yeah, I'm strong, but I'm a bit slow. But I won a lot of running races, second prize, and I won first prize in hurdle.
I
race.
got the golden medal.
Baby, I chose this, and we got more votes. So I'm going to. Oop.
Hey,
Oops.
I got the golden medal.
I got so many.
I got golden medals. I got 1,000,000 golden medals in my schools.
Okay, he got 1,000,000 medals in his schools. Okay, I also got a lot of medals. Sorry, it was my grandma. She was asking me to tell stories to my brother, but there's nothing better than Would You Rather and Among Us. Would you rather, baby?
Would you rather?
Would you rather have only sandwiches for food or eat only one type of sweets in for life?
One type of sweets.
Oh, you want to eat only candy?
Yeah,
I love sandwiches. We can have chocolate sandwich, Among Us sandwich,
I would choose
Mr. Cheese sandwich,
candy.
Mr. Egg sandwich.
You choose candy.
Okay, you get to slap me because it's very low. Not hard, slowly.
Hey, you said not hard.
Slowly, like this. Enough. Would you rather live the rest of your life with silent but uncontrollable gas or loud uncontrollable sneezing? You want to fart uncontrollably or sneeze uncontrollably?
Fart and
Okay, so he chose he wants to fart uncontrollably. So sorry, dear, that didn't get too much of votes. So
Slap me hard this time.
okay, I'm not gonna slap you hard because you're only
Hard.
a
Slap
no,
me
you're
hard.
only a kid.
Slap me hard. Ow, yeah.
Would you rather? Okay, he slapped me. Would you rather use a map or use a GPS that is very weak? You want to use a map or use a Google map which does not work properly?
A map.
Okay, let's use
I
a
don't
map.
have to on it. And
More
off
people
it
want to
and on
use
it.
map, so I think so. I'll have to give you a love slap. Boop.
Hey, no. I said whoever loses.
Oh, acha, whoever loses.
You lost, so you get a slap.
No, I didn't lose. I chose the correct answer. Would you rather
No,
have?
I choose.
Okay. Would you rather have unlimited battery life on all of your devices or have free Wi-Fi wherever you go? I would rather have free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi.
Oh, jinxed, baby. I can't tell his real name, so that's why I call him baby. It's his nickname.
Yeah.
66.06% people agree. So, would you
Yeah.
rather run as fast as the Flash or be as strong as Superman? You want to be Flash or Superman, dear? He wants to be Flash because I really don't know if Flash is DC or Marvel. If the comment section is open, please comment down below what it is. If it is open, because sometimes my videos have a problem in which the comment section is not available.
Flash is.
Okay,
Marvel.
more people choose Flash. You live another. You won. Okay, whoever lost needs a. Would you rather lose all of your teeth or lose all of your hair? I wouldn't be able to show my lovely smile with my lovely teeth. I didn't get one cavity till now in my life.
I don't want to be bald and I'm big, so I want.
So what? If you become bald, you can wear a wig. You can wear different color wigs like rainbow wig. What's your favorite color?
I want to wear my favorite hoodie, so
Yeah.
I do my haircut.
But I love my long curly black hair.
But sorry, I need to take this off.
I
for
love
your
my hair.
yummy smile.
Bye hair. Okay, more people want to lose there. We both chose it, so high five. It's not a slap, it's a high five. Stop.
Slap your
Stop.
hand. Slap our hand.
Hey, enough.
Slap. That's a hand slap. Okay.
Yeah, that's enough of hand slapping. He's very hyperactive. Would
I'm
you,
actually very.
would you rather fall down in public or pass the gas in public?
Pass a gas?
You know what you mean by pass gas? Farting.
Yeah. My fart is very bad, so
Ew.
I just fart.
I would rather fall down.
I'll fall down.
Okay, we both chose the same thing, but you said that you want to choose pass gas, so one tiny.
First.
So that doesn't count.
Why?
So
Why?
Now I slapped him because he's behaving weird. Hey, kid, hey baby, listen.
Okay.
Are yaar, listen na. So there are only 5 more questions left. Would you rather be intelligent but poor or be foolish but rich? You want to be a stupid person but rich, or you want to be intelligent but poor?
Person, but rich? I could buy.
I would rather be intelligent but poor. So I chose the correct thing, you chose the wrong thing, so you get a. I slapped him smiley. Would you rather have super strength or super speed?
Super strength.
Yeah, I'm already very strong. I want super speed. Okay, more people want super speed, so I get to. I like your. Arey yaar. He ran
You
away.
get to hit yourself in the owner.
I slapped him. Would you rather watch TV all day or meet someone new each day? You want to make new friends every day or you want to see TV every time? Okay, new friends. We both did it. I also was about to choose it. That's a high five. Not a slap. Now this is the third question. Would you rather give up the internet or give up having a bath for a month? You don't want to have a bath for a month or you don't want the internet? Yeah, give up the internet. No ways. I also was about to choose it, so we get to slap each other. Okay, that's all. Would you rather be able to freeze time or be able to travel in time? You want to stop time or you want to travel every time? Even
Stop
in past.
time, so I can.
Yeah.
Everyone can go down, and I can just.
Sorry, dear.
walk in.
Very less people chose stop time, so I was about to
I
choose.
can just steal all the phones in the iPhone shop.
Nope. Enough of iPhones and phone. Just slap me. I'll slap you because we both were going to. Hey, not hard. Now this is a last and final question. Would you rather have a scorpion or have a tarantula as a pet? Tarantula is a huge spider. You want a big fat spider or you want a scorpion?
A spider.
Yeah.
Because spiders are not things.
Nah, more people want a scorpion as a pet, so I was about. Yep. So that's all for today. Thank you. Please
Ah! Yeah,
he
that.
slapped me again because I was about to choose a tarantula. So please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. It helps us a lot. Subscribe to this channel. Otherwise, no wiser will haunt you in your dreams. Thank you and see you in the next video.